Here we are, end of the week again, and obviously with our maths we're going on to arithmetic. Now we are going to have covered pretty much every element of the arithmetic test that you're going to be faced with at least this week. But there's just one area that I'm going to focus on today and then just let you crack on with this. So 47.5 subtract 18.62. Now, every now and then we have one of these that some of you come unstuck on, and it's the fact in terms of decimal placing, here we have 2 decimal places, here we have only 1. So I'm going to show you how we can solve this. That will give you the confidence when it comes to doing the one in the test, and then hopefully you'll get 18 out of 18. So we lay out our method, so 47 even 0.5, subtract 18.62. Now you will notice, having done it here for you, what I've ensured is that my decimal points are lined up. That knows my place value is correct, but I also know that the 8 and the 7 are my 1s, the 1 and the 4 are my 10s, so they all need to be laid up in their correct place value column. Now, it's a subtraction, so we can go over here and do nothing, take away 2. Well, I'm sure if I gave you 2 seconds, you could all tell me 1, 2. What goes there? The 0. So we can insert the 0 even though it's not there in the original question, because then we can do 0 take away 2. Now, we know that doesn't work because you can't have nothing and take 2 away from it. So we have to exchange. So we go over here to our tenths, our 5 tenths, and we exchange 1/10 for 10 hundredths. And then we can do 10 subtract 2, which gives us 8. 10 hundredths take away 2 hundredths is 8 hundredths. We then now have 4 tenths and 6 tenths, but that doesn't work. So again, we're going to have to exchange. So we go over to our 7 ones. We take 1 1 and we make it into 10 tenths. So 14 tenths take away 6 tenths is going to be 8 tenths. We can see here, this is where our decimal point goes. Now we have our 1s, 6 ones take away 8 ones. Again, we know that doesn't work, so we need to exchange. We take 1/10 and exchange it for 10 ones. So 16 take away 8, giving us 8. And that leaves us with 3 10s take away 1/10, which is 210, 28.88. Once you feel confident with that one, you can go on to your 18 questions today. You can see they're all of the same style. Don't forget here 11 you've got squared and cubed. You know how to do 18 in terms of the multiplication. You can even give 17 a go because it links with what we're doing. If you can't remember how to do question 16, you can look back at last week's video. Likewise, all these elements were made available to you last week, so you can look back and remind yourself how to do it. Okay, what we'll do at 10 o'clock, if you aim to try and get these 18 questions done, we will then go through and mark them together. See you then.